Hey guys, I'm LILAY. Do you have any problems with streaming using LILAY? If so, you can contact us anytime. But before that, here are a few tips for you to track before live streaming. Number 1. Make sure the devices you use are compatible with LILAY. More and more people want to use the LILAY app, but unfortunately, some smartphones are not compatible with LILAY. There is a list of Android and iOS smartphones which are compatible with LILAY, and we have already tested. You can find the list on our website. Number 2. Smartphones you use for streaming must be in the same operating system. Due to technical difficulties, an Android smartphone cannot be connected to an iPhone. For example, if you use an Android smartphone as a stream device, the other devices like camera devices must be Android. The same is true for iPhone. Number 3. Enter the valid RTMP URL. Otherwise, there may be an error in the middle of live streaming. On iPhone, the streaming lasts for about 15 seconds and stops. And on Android, the app crashes and is forcefully closed. So please enter the valid RTMP. But if you have no idea what the RTMP is, check out the link at the top right. Number 4. Subscribe to the plan that's right for you. For Android, connecting multi-camera is not available unless you subscribe to multi-plan. You can get some information about the subscription in this video at the top right. Number 5. The channel number or group name must match. When you connect multi-cameras, the devices can be connected only if they have the same channel number or group name. For example, let's say the channel number of stream device is 39, then the channel number of other devices like camera devices or CG must be 39 too, okay? Number 6. Please make sure to set some options for stable streaming. Use Do Not Disturb mode while streaming. Turn on Wi-Fi connection, but turn off the auto-join option of other Wi-Fi, and close apps you don't use. It's good to have the latest version of LILAY app and prepare some overlay images or text you're going to use before live streaming. Okay, this is what you need to track before live streaming with LILAY. But if you still have problems after tracking all these things, you can reach out to us in various ways, like you can email us, you can leave some comments on YouTube, you can text us on Facebook, anything. We are always willing to help. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.